Today I'm reviewing Citizens Parent Loans, a popular private student loan option that allows parents to borrow on behalf of their children for college costs. Right from the homepage, the interface is clean and professional. Navigating through their loan section is pretty straightforward, with clear categories for undergraduate, graduate, and parent loans. I focused on the parent loan application process, eligibility, and what really sets Citizens Bank apart, or doesn't. One of the highlights is that Citizens doesn't charge any application, origination, or disbursement fees. That's great, because some lenders sneak those in. The interest rates are competitive, especially if you have excellent credit. There's also a loyalty discount if you already bank with them, and an autopay discount, which can help slightly lower your monthly payments. However, it's important to note that the lowest advertised rates are only accessible to borrowers with very strong credit profiles, and when selecting shorter repayment terms. When I simulated the application process, I noticed how they emphasize cosigner release options. Although that doesn't directly apply to parent loans, it shows their general loan policies are flexible. However, there are a few downsides. The fixed rates can be a bit high for average credit borrowers, and there isn't much flexibility in repayment plans beyond the standard 5, 10, and 15-year options. There's also no option to see pre-qualified rates, with a soft credit check for parent loans, which many competitors now offer. The FAQ section is helpful but not exhaustive. I had a few specific questions about deferment and forbearance, and I had to dig through their general loan policies to find full details. While they do offer some deferment for economic hardship, it's not as flexible as Federal Parent Plus loans in that regard. Many other useful links you can find in the description. Customer support was responsive when I contacted them via chat, which is a plus. However, I wish there was more transparency upfront on how credit scores affect your final rates. The lack of an interactive loan calculator for parent loans was also disappointing. You're kind of left guessing or needing to manually calculate expected payments using basic rate and term info. Overall, Citizens Parent Loans can be a good option for parents with strong credit who want a no-fee loan from a reputable bank. But it lacks some of the refinements and borrower tools you'll find with newer fintech lenders. If you already have a relationship with Citizens Bank and qualify for loyalty discounts, it might be a solid choice. Just make sure to compare it with federal loans and other private lenders before committing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest financial reviews.